Hi, I'm Xochitl and I'm going to be singing Firework. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards and built from paving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July, 'cause baby you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go oh, 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 as you leave 'em falling down. Do you ever feel like a wasted space? Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Baby, you're the reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to